Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got a Vauxhall Astra petrol with a misfire on cylinder 2, it's saying. Now I took the number 1 plug out. Just have a little look, which is not too bad. And if you have a look at number 2, which I've got out, very carboned up. If you want to lay these out, and also there's a, if you can just see it, there's a part of the plug that's missing just there. So I'll show you the fault codes that I've got. What you can also do as well, before you buy plugs or a coil pack and stuff like that, where it says cylinder 2 misfire, if you took the spark plug out of number 2 and put it into number 1 and number 1 into number 2, clear the codes, take it for a little drive, and the scanner should then say, if it's a spark plug, it will then say cylinder 1 misfire, because you'll know it's eliminated the spark plug then, so that's your problem. If you still got it on cylinder 2 after you've removed the spark plug and put it into cylinder 1, you know there isn't any fault with your spark plugs. You know, then it'd be coil pack, so it'd either be, depending on what vehicle it is, it'll either be a lead, which will then go to a coil pack like these here are, or you can then get the actual coil pack itself. So you can then just do the same thing, unplug one of the leads on the coil pack and swap it over to another part on the coil pack, but make sure you put the right wire to the right firing order on there. So but what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get a new set of spark plugs and put them in. I'll also show you the code that come up on the little scanner that I've got. So yeah, I'll cut back in and show you a video on the scanner. And there's the code. If you Google the code, it'll give you a few symptoms and stuff of what you'd get with it and stuff like that. So, but as it says there, cylinder 2 misfire, so that's what it is. So here's the new spark plugs, NGKs, and also they've got a bit of a difference on the top, but they're all the same length. So we'll put it in and see how they run. Also, when you put the spark plugs in, you normally just do your fill and bite, you know, with your finger, and just under a quarter of a turn, just to nip them up, and that's plenty enough. So I'll put the other 3 in, and then we'll start it up and see if it's worked. Just put the leads back on.